Want to turn your home into the ultimate mix of comfort and innovation? These incredible Amazon Home gadgets are designed to simplify your space, upgrade your routine, and make everyday living feel effortless. From smart organization to cozy essentials, each one adds a modern touch you'll love. All the links are waiting for you in the description below. Ever wanted to film hands-free, right from your point of view? This magnetic neck mount lets you record exactly what you see while keeping both hands free. Just snap your phone on. The strong magnets lock it securely in place, no wobbling or slipping. You can switch between portrait or landscape angles in seconds for vlogs, cooking videos, or DIYs. It's flexible, comfy, and makes filming effortless wherever you go. Turn your bathroom into a private spa retreat. This Whirlpool bathtub surrounds you with warm water and soothing jets that melt away tension and ease sore muscles. Built-in chromotherapy lights create a gentle glow that boosts your mood and rejuvenates your skin as you soak. The sleek rectangular design with blue glass sides brings a touch of ocean calm right into your home. Lean back, stretch out, and let relaxation take over. It's your personal getaway at the end of the day. Here's a smart way to make your outlets do more. This outlet shelf instantly adds extra storage right above your plug, perfect for holding toothbrushes, speakers, or even smart devices while they charge. The built-in cord organizer keeps everything neat with no messy tangles. It's sturdy enough to hold everyday essentials and installs easily over standard outlets. Simple, space-saving, and surprisingly practical for any room. Need a moment of peace in a noisy world? This private work pod gives you your own little bubble of calm wherever you are. Step inside to focus, take a call, or just breathe away the chaos. Its soundproof design blocks out distractions so you can think clearly and recharge. Perfect for offices, schools, or any busy space. It's your quiet corner in an open world. This isn't just a chessboard, it's your new training partner. The Evo AI Chessboard brings the game to life with smart sensors that recognize every piece automatically. You can play against built-in AI, challenge friends online, or customize the bot to match your style. Bright LED lights guide your moves, while real-time analysis helps you improve. It's like having a personal chess coach built right into the board. Meet the multitasker your kitchen's been missing. This digital air fryer isn't just for fries. It's a rotisserie, dehydrator, and convection oven all in one sleek appliance. With rapid air technology, it cooks faster and crispier using almost no oil. The 17 touch presets make perfect meals foolproof, and the large window lets you watch the magic happen. Big capacity, easy cleanup, and endless possibilities. This smart home control panel puts your entire house at your fingertips. From adjusting lights and thermostats to checking security cameras, it's all managed through a bright 4.7-inch touchscreen. You can even track energy use to see where you're saving power. When sensors detect movement, it alerts you instantly for peace of mind. And yes, you can browse the web or play music right from the same screen. Tired of messy drawers and mystery cables? This mini Bluetooth label maker helps you organize everything in seconds. It connects wirelessly to your phone, letting you design and print custom labels right from an easy app. No ink, no mess, just clear, durable prints every time. It's lightweight, rechargeable, and packed with fun templates for home, school, or office. Organization just got a whole lot smarter. When space is tight but shoes keep piling up, this foldable 5-tier rack saves the day. It opens in seconds. No screws, no tools, no stress. The lightweight yet sturdy design holds multiple pairs while keeping your entryway or closet neat and tidy. You can unfold just the tiers you need or collapse it flat to slide under a bed. Simple, compact, and perfect for small spaces. Bring a piece of the universe right to your room with this 3D Galaxy Crystal Nightlight. Inside the clear orb, tiny laser-engraved stars and planets glow beautifully in 16 different colors. The wooden base adds a cozy touch, while the remote lets you switch hues or set the perfect mood. It's part decor, part nightlight, and pure magic for anyone who loves the stars. Saving just got a techie upgrade with this digital counting money jar. Every coin you drop is automatically tallied on the LCD screen, so you'll always know how much you've saved without even opening it. It's lightweight, durable, and perfect for anyone trying to stay mindful about their spending. A fun and satisfying way to watch your savings grow, one coin at a time. Here's a cleaning tool that makes grime disappear, literally. This handheld steam cleaner uses powerful high-pressure steam to cut through grease, dirt, and buildup without a single drop of chemicals. With multiple attachments for every surface, it's perfect for kitchens, tiles, upholstery, and even your car. Lightweight, fast heating, and totally eco-friendly, it's cleaning made smarter, faster, and a whole lot more satisfying. When it's dark and you need both hands, these flashlight gloves light the way. Tiny LEDs sit right on your fingertips, shining wherever you point. Whether you're fixing a car, camping, or fishing at night, you'll never need to juggle a flashlight again. They're stretchy, comfy, and water-resistant, ready for any task. Slip them on, switch them on, and suddenly the dark isn't a problem anymore. This gadget turns your phone setup into a mini entertainment station. It's a wireless speaker, phone stand, and ambient light all in one sleek design. Just place your phone on it, and the induction tech instantly boosts your sound. No cables or pairing needed. The base lights up with colorful modes to match your mood, and the 300-degree rotation keeps your screen at the perfect angle. Music, movies, or calls completely hands-free. Losing your keys is no longer a problem with this smart door lock. It unlocks instantly with your fingerprint, a passcode, or even your phone. No fumbling required. You can create temporary access codes for guests or deliveries and check entry history right from the app. The auto lock feature secures your door after you leave, so you'll never forget again. Smart, sleek, and surprisingly easy to install. Tired, aching legs after a long day? This smart massage mat gives you instant relief. Using gentle electrical pulses, it relaxes muscles in your feet and legs, easing soreness and improving circulation. The foldable design makes it super easy to carry, and the simple LCD controller lets you adjust everything with one hand. It's waterproof, durable, and can even target shoulders or calves. Total relaxation, anytime, anywhere. This little gadget proves you don't need a big washer for big cleaning power. Using ultrasonic waves and bubble action, it scrubs away dirt just like hand washing, but faster and easier. Just drop it in a bucket, plug it in, and let it do the work. It's USB powered, whisper quiet, and shuts off automatically after each cycle. Perfect for travel, dorms, or small apartments. Cold nights just got a serious upgrade. This heated mattress pad warms your bed evenly from corner to corner, giving you the perfect temperature before you even crawl in. With 10 heat levels and dual controls, both sides can stay just how you like them. The preheat and memory functions keep things cozy without constant adjustments. Soft, safe, and energy efficient. This is warmth that feels personal. Bring your room to life with this color-changing corner lamp that transforms any space in seconds. With millions of hues and dynamic modes, you can set the mood for gaming, parties, or just relaxing after a long day. It syncs with your music, pulsing in rhythm for a full sensory experience. Control it easily by app or remote, and even set timers for wake up or sleep. Style meets smart lighting right in your corner. No more fumbling in the dark. This motion-sensing nightlight has you covered. It automatically turns on when you walk by and shuts off once you're gone, saving energy while lighting your way. You can also switch it to dusk to dawn mode for effortless nighttime glow. The warm, glare-free light feels cozy and gentle on the eyes. Compact, adjustable, and smart. It's perfect for hallways, bedrooms, or stairs. Meet the measuring tool that does it all. This 2-in-1 device combines a classic tape measure with a precise digital laser for instant readings. Just press one button and you'll see accurate results on the bright LCD screen. No squinting or second guessing. The rubberized grip feels solid in your hand, and the auto lock keeps the tape steady. Perfect for quick DIY projects or professional work alike. Cleanliness just got an upgrade. This smart bidet seat lets you enjoy a refreshing, hands-free experience every time you use it. The LED display shows real-time settings, while the foot sensor activates the flush without touching a button. You can adjust water temperature, pressure, and even use the remote to control everything from your seat. Made of premium ceramic with a powerful siphon flush, it keeps things spotless and efficient, all with a touch of modern luxury. This sleek hydrogen water bottle turns ordinary water into hydrogen-rich hydration in just minutes. Using advanced electrolysis tech, it infuses your drink with antioxidants that support better energy, recovery, and overall wellness. It's rechargeable, portable, and perfect for home, office, or travel. The LED indicator keeps things simple, while its glass build feels premium. Here's a lighter that's built for the modern world. No flames, no fuel, just clean electric power. This windproof arc lighter uses plasma tech, so it stays lit, even in bad weather. It's rechargeable through USB, features a child-safe lock, and automatically powers off for safety. Sleek, portable, and perfect for candles, camping, or the kitchen, it's the hassle-free way to spark up anything. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.